Welcome to Easy Profit Pages, where you're going to be able to create amazing affiliate niche sites really quickly that convert, that have lots of information and promote loads of different products, including high ticket. So we've got a done for you campaign ready to go, but you can also create campaigns using any products and content that you want in line with this system. So if you look at the example that we've got, as you can see, we've got three sections here. We've got the welcome with the registration for the high ticket web class. So you'll put your email address in here, you'll click get started, and you'll jump across to the webinar page here, where they can watch the webinar and they can scroll down and purchase the product. Okay. In addition to this, we've got this resources slider, which recommends and promotes loads of different products, all congruent with the message we've got here. And then in conjunction with that, we've got three articles, which again, congruent with the message, which can be clicked on and can be read. As you can see, there's an article here. On the right hand side, we've got a low ticket product that can be promoted, as well as additional remembering people to sign up for the web class. So really cool site, really easy to modify and create fresh ones, which we'll be discussing in the videos to come.